In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete a Facebook business page. Before we start, keep in mind that deleting a business page is a serious step. Once the deletion is fully processed, you'll lose your posts, messages, reviews, and followers connected to that page. So if there's anything you might need later, such as photos, captions, or important messages, take a moment to download or copy that information before you continue. First, open your browser and log into the Facebook account that manages your business page. Make sure you're using an account that has admin access to the page, otherwise you won't see the options to delete it. Once you're logged in, go to your Facebook business page. You can do this by clicking your profile picture and selecting the page from the list, or by searching for the page name in the search bar and opening it from there. When you're on your business page, look for the settings option. This is usually found on the left-hand side of the screen or sometimes under the Manage or More section, depending on Facebook's current layout. Click on Settings to open the main settings area for your page. This is where you control most of the important options like roles, visibility, and access. Inside the settings, find and click on the section called Access and Control. This area is designed for managing what happens to your page and related assets, including deactivation and deletion. Take a second to confirm you're on the correct page settings, especially if you manage multiple pages. Within Access and Control, look for the option that mentions deleting the page. It may appear as Delete Page or something very similar. Click on Delete Page to begin the process. Facebook may show you some information about what deletion means, and in some cases, it might ask if you want to deactivate instead. Make sure you read the text so you're confident that permanent deletion is what you want. After you've reviewed the information and you're ready to proceed, click on Continue. Facebook may ask you to confirm your decision again, and you might need to enter your password as a security check. Follow any on-screen prompts until you see a final confirmation that your page is scheduled for deletion. And that's it. You've now gone through the steps to delete your Facebook business page.